Hi. My goodness.
Yes.
Awesome. Come.
Very much happy.
It looks something phenomenal. You have dropped down your age, I don't know. Now you look over 30, 35.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. Okay. So beyond this, you might feel a bit different.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
A lot of years. How many years you have been losing hair?
That's around 2.5 years.
2.5 years. So 2.5 years you never had hair, and then suddenly.
Same.
There's a complete changeover.
Yeah.
So it's like basically when you fix the hairs, you will always have that psychological change more than the physical change happening. You will have a psychological change, like people might get to know. See, basically, I'll tell you one thing. It's a secret. Nobody is concerned about your hair other than you.
Yeah.
Nobody.
100%.
Yeah. So people whom you know very close, like who know that you are losing hair or you are bald, they might come and ask you like, what exactly have you done? So you can just tell them that they have done a hair fixing, which is as good as you fix your teeth or go to a dentist and we keep doing that, or fixing a contact lens instead of a specs. That is the only thing which has happened. So it's moreover a kind of psychological change. Now beyond this, you will have to take care of a few things. So I just want to explain you do's and don'ts. What all things you should do or you should not do. See, basically we will be giving you a particular combs, advising you few particular combs to be used. Only those brushes has to be used, because the normal brushes, even for the natural hair, it might act like a blade. So we have a continuous habit. Basically, I don't know, South Indians basically have a continuous habit of combing, brushing all time, and styling the hair. So we always keep that small pocket comb in our pockets always, and we always do this wiping about. So this acts like a blade and always removes 20% of the hair, and we have to avoid that. And we only advised combs, brushes basically should be used. Those are soft bristle brushes. We'll be giving it to you from our side, or we can get it from market also. There are a few brands which we recommend, so you can use those on a safer side, which will take the longevity of the patch. How much, the duration, the hair system.
Can we get it?
Yeah.
Pause it. I was about to tell you.
So we are talking about the soft bristle combs. These are the type. Okay. These are broad and soft bristles. You can just touch and feel it.
Yeah.
Such kind of combs, brushes should be used always.
Okay.
And try maximum not to scratch the base of the patch, where there's a kind of artificial thing done. So the number of times you start, brushing the base, the chances of hair coming out is more. So when on average, you get about 1.5 years to 2 years of lifespan for a patch, it might come down to 8 months or 9 months. So the number of times you keep scratching the base, because that was our habit earlier.
Yeah.
So now you will have to do a bit, gentle with the patch.
Okay.
Use this kind of. Similar to that, you have a pocket one also available. If you want to carry on the go, you can use this kind of a brush. Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. Now, shampoos and conditioners.
Okay.
There are few advisable shampoos in the market, but those are slightly expensive. So we make it from our own factory side. Only for our in-house customers we give this shampoos. Conditioner. This is a spray conditioner wherein you can just spray it and leave it on in the morning after the shower. When the patch is getting completely dried, after that you can just spray the conditioner and leave it on. Now, taking the shower, we always advise not to go under the shower directly. At least for a couple of weeks wherein you fixed it and start getting used to the system. Maybe after 3-4 months, you will get used very well with the system, because it's an additional thing come up to a foreign body has come up to you. So you will have to take care, and initial days you might feel like going back for the direct showers. Don't do that. Always use the mug and pour method.
Okay.
Take water in your mug, the old method. Take water. I'm talking about washing your hair.
Okay.
Taking a body wash is fine. I'm talking about washing the hair.
Okay.
Just do pour water, wash it, don't apply the shampoo or any other chemical based conditioners or shampoo directly to the patch.
Okay.
Always dilute it. Take the mug, dilute it, put the shampoo or thing in the, form it, then apply it and wash it off. Rinse it off.
Okay.
Because when you use any sort of shampoos or conditioners directly onto the hair system, it might get tangled.
Okay.
And it will be very difficult to remove the tangles. And in the process of removing tangles, I have experienced many customers have come back to me saying there are hair loss from different locations. They would have made tangles in different locations, and removing it off was very tough.
Okay.
Removing the tangles, and at the time of during the process of removing the tangles, the chance of losing the hairs are more, and there the hair loss might happen.
Okay.
There are solutions. We can do a refilling for the hair also, but it's always good that you know make a precaution before it loses the hair. So that is shampoo. This is leave-on conditioner. So shampoos also we have. The shampoo you can just apply it. We can give you the shampoo. This is the leave-on conditioner.
Okay.
After the shower, after completely drying it, always use a hair dryer in a soft mode. Don't make it very overheated and do the drying. On a soft mode, the normal mode, dry it off. Okay, it might take about 2 to 3 minutes to dry it off. And make it a habit of taking a hair wash either once in a week or twice in a week, not more than that. Not more than that. That's only required basically. Okay. You can take a normal wash, body wash, but hair wash once, twice in a week, max to max thrice in a week. Okay. After drying the hair properly, apply the leave-on conditioner, brush it, and keep it safe. This will have a holding effect. So this will hold the hairs properly, and it will give you a moisturizing effect for the hair. Because our natural hair, it gets moisture from within the skin. The oil secretion will come up and it will moisturize the hair. But for us, hair which we have fixed, you need to keep a moisturizing effect always from outside. So that is why this product helps you for that, the moisturizing effect. These are leave-on spray conditioners, but this is exclusively for us. I don't think there are some other products available in the market. There are few, but those are very expensive products. So these are the few things which you need to take care. Okay, avoid seawater, contaminated water. Use good water to wash the hairs. That's it.
So he's looking very young from the before thing.
Undoubtedly.
Even he is very confident. The smile.
Yeah. You work with some company. You talk to customers, right?
Yeah. I work for a sales department.
Sales department.
Yeah.
Of course, it will definitely increase your confidence level.
Please continue.
Our customers, everybody will be waiting to see you. In fact,
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you can
Hi.
just give a wave to them and. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, heads, for giving a new look.
We are also happy. Every time when we come fix up for a customer and we create smiles on their faces,
Yeah.
we're always happy. And you don't know how many marriage invitations we have accumulated in our offices, all offices. There are many people, who have got it fixed and they have gone for their marriage life. Thank you, Mr. George.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.